If you've forgotten your Airbnb password or need to reset it for any reason, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Go to the Airbnb login page. Open your web browser and navigate to the Airbnb login page. You can do this by typing airbnb.com in the address bar and clicking on the login button. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on this link to begin the password reset process. Step 3. Enter your email address. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Airbnb account. Type in your email address and click the Send Reset Link button. Step 4. Check your email. Open your email inbox and look for an email from Airbnb with a subject line related to password reset. Click on the link provided in the email to proceed with resetting your password. Step 5. Create a new password. You will be directed to a page where you can enter a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before, then confirm it by entering it again. Finally, click the Submit button to save your new password. Now you can log into your Airbnb account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Airbnb support for assistance.